Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm actually like way more excited about this Galaxy Tab 8 than I thought I was gonna be. But while I'm waiting for my Galaxy Tab 6, which by the way, I gotta tell y'all something. So Amazon actually just charged me today, so that means it's gonna be shipping out soon, and man, I'm excited for that. But yeah, we got the Galaxy Tab 8 here. It's the 2019 version. We gotta go and check this thing out. I can finally upgrade that thing over there, which actually I love that tablet. Like I use it all the time, but that Tab 6 something else, man. But yeah, let's go and crack into this thing. Alright y'all, so you know where we at right now. But you also know that you got the latest 2019 version when the Samsung box looks like this, because like literally every other Samsung box looks like this that was released this year except for the Notebook 9 Pro. And they all look clean, like I'm really feeling Samsung's design this year. And this even what the Galaxy Tab S6 box looked like. But yeah, anyways, I got the high spec version with the most amount of RAM, and you can see I got it in this gray color. And we got pretty cool looking wallpaper. Obviously we got some bezels on here because it's like a cheaper tablet. It ain't like a Galaxy Tab B or anything, but it's not like a Galaxy Tab S. So yeah, anyways, we got the tablet and the color, and it says Tab A. Got the Samsung logo at the top. On the right side we don't got nothing. On the back we got all this info. And it's actually looking like we got some bloatware like Samsung Kids and Lego, I guess. But on the left side we got the Galaxy Tab A logo. On the bottom we just got my info, and at the top we don't got nothing. Alright, so actually let's close this and then we're gonna do it again. Alright, let's try it again. Bow. Alright, so let's go and just crack into this box real quick. And I know there's people been asking about my unboxing night, so I'll leave a link down below so you can buy it. Cause man, this thing is pretty dope. Anyways, back to the tablet that you came for. Let's go ahead and get it out this box. Got the Samsung logo. And I know what you're saying. Latrell, why did you even get this? I just wanted a smaller tablet pretty much, and like this 10.1-inch version, even though I got a 10.5 Tab S4 over here and the 10.5-inch Tab S6 coming. I pretty much just want a tablet a little bit smaller, even though the Tab S4 is like 10.5 inches and the Tab S6 is too. But like 10.1 inches, we'll see if it's small enough. But yeah, like this wrapping is like reminding me exactly like the Galaxy Tab S4. And you remember what I said this remind me of? Dryer sheets. Like, come on now, you can't front. Like, you gotta admit that does look like a dryer sheet. It do smell good over here now though that I got this over here. But yeah, let me go and get this thing out of here. It's all aluminum and everything except for on the top, so it's pretty cool. And it got a little bit of weight on it, but it feels nice. So yeah, we got our bezels here at the top and the bottom and our camera right there. On the left side, we don't got nothing. I really don't even want to get a fingerprint on here. But on the right side, we got our power button, we got our volume rockers and not spaced out, and then we got our SD card slot. On the back, we got our Samsung logo that's centered now. Same thing on the Galaxy Tab S6. And at the top, we got our camera. On the actual top of the tablet, look at that. We got a headphone jack. Until the Note 10 came out, then that kind of ruined everything, and the Tab S6 too. Cause the Tab S6 don't got a headphone jack. But yeah, we got that, and then we got our microphone. This Samsung logo right here, you can't feel it or anything, it's just there. And on the bottom, we got our 2 speakers. So it's not like quad speakers or anything, it's just dual speakers here on the bottom. And then we got our USB-C port. Alright, so let's go and just turn this thing on already, man. I'm excited for this. It doesn't have any vibration to it. Nope. The Galaxy Tab S4, if you didn't know, already vibrates. I'm pretty sure the Tab S6 does too, but this don't. So Galaxy Tab A is secured by Knox, powered by Android, usual stuff. And then we got our Samsung Budo screen. Like I said, it's the same exact stuff we always get. And this is the Wi-Fi version. But let's go and get to the rest of the box, because apparently I'm too geek to even look at the box. Because I know like every YouTuber ever, they like put the tablet or the phone to the side first and then they get into the box. But I was like, nah, let's just get to the tablet first. But yeah, if you look at this, we got a travel adapter. It's not fast charging or anything, it's just like a regular charger. So that sucks, but I wonder if we can use a fast charger on it. We got a USB-A to USB-C cord, same thing on the Tab S6. So we got a SD card ejector in the box. The Tab S4 didn't have that in the box, so that's pretty cool to see they got that in here now. I can't get it out, I'm not really gonna worry about that right now. But we got our usual books nobody cares about. What we gonna do with that? Wait for it. Throw it to the side. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all that's in the box. So let me go and just fast forward through this setup real quick and I'll get back to y'all.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright y'all, so we're good now. If you saw in the setup, we don't got anything like face unlock or nothing. We just got a pin, so that sucks. But I mean, it is what it is. So let's go and just rotate this thing because I don't really like using the tablet in a regular portrait mode all the time. But yeah, so this is our Galaxy Tab A here. So far, like, I mean, I don't really got anything to say about it. But I want to see real quick, do we have call and message continuity? So if I actually go to the settings real quick, we got a splash screen on here. But I'm going to scroll down, go to about tablet, software version, and yeah, there we go. So we got One UI version 1.0 and Android version 9. And from the history, we should get like Android 11 and then maybe top out at there. But yeah, this is the Galaxy Tab A. It got different animations and everything on here. But yeah, y'all, I'll let y'all know what I think about this tablet. So far though, I mean, it seems alright. I'm gonna go and turn on that Dolby Atmos though, I know that. But oh yeah, let me see about that call and message continuity thing. So settings, connections, scroll down, look for more connection settings. Nope, it's not in there. So maybe it'll just show up if I update it, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. I don't see anything that has to do with Legos though. Like it said on the box, Lego, so like what's that? That don't make sense to me. Is it supposed to be a jerry rig everything type of thing or what? But yeah, y'all, like I said, that was pretty much it. If you liked the video, go ahead and liked it. If you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe for me. Because like I said, I'm gonna have the Tab S6 unboxing coming soon, and I actually want to do one more thing before I get out of here. So let's go and put this next to my Tab S4 real quick. And like, it's not even that much smaller. Maybe I should have did my math and thought, maybe 10.1 inches isn't that much smaller than 10.5 inches. So we'll see if I'm gonna return this thing or not. I don't know what's going on, but does the S Pen work on here? Nope. They got a Galaxy Tab A. They actually got a smaller one of this with the S Pen, which don't make sense. Like, you think they would put the S Pen with the bigger Tab A, not with the smaller one. And there was the one from this year too. I'm not talking about the Tab A with S Pen that came out like maybe 2 years ago or whenever that was. But yeah, S Pen don't work with it. But yeah, y'all, like I said, for the 13th time, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.